Hello everyone, my name is Alessia and on this channel, me and the guys discuss tips and tricks on how to find and meet foreign girls. European, American, Russian and Australian women. It doesn't matter what you're looking for, you will definitely be successful and I will help you with this. You send me your profiles, correspondence for individual analysis. Be sure to look at the previous videos, there is a lot of useful information. I continue to help guys look at themselves by talking about how girls see your profiles and messages. We started by setting up a profile and even managed to see the first message from "Hey" and the guy who sent it. I promise to show you so many guys really write this "Hey." Today we will see how many similar messages our female profile received and was it the same cherished message that I want to answer. If you're interested in this topic, support my video blog, hit like, hit the bell and subscribe. And I start. Here we go. So, as I said, the girl's profile received over 100 likes and about 50 messages. Let's see what kind of messages were there. Hey there! Are those really your pics because you're looking like a supermodel in those? Are those really your pics because you are looking like a supermodel in those? At first glance, not bad, but in the video about how to communicate with a girl in chat, I asked you not to write empty compliments. You're beautiful, you're an angel, you're a supermodel, and so on. A girl will not appreciate a compliment taken from nowhere, especially one received from 50 guys in 2 days. She will only appreciate the one that will signal that the guy has looked at her profile, highlighted some feature, for example, eyes, and complimented her eyes. By the way, here I had a compliment to my eyes. You have beautiful eyes. Here you can see at least that the guy studied the photo and singled out the girl's eyes as very attractive. Well done! Well, are we looking further? How are you? More similar. The hand wave is the same as your favorite "Hey." Have you ever been told how much beautifully cute you are? Is also a popular way to start conversation. What answer is the guy continuing on? Yes, they tell me about it every day, so I know that for sure. Indeed, girls often receive such messages and they no longer create a wow effect. Hellos, hearts, there is a lot of them. Here I came across a message that received an answer, but the guy moved the communication to vulgarity. Hey, good conversations are all about you, me and 3 AM. We will see. I'm sure I won't disappoint you. Can I ever get your Instagram or phone number? Everything is possible, but I think we can speak here at first. It is, but what if you turn out to be way too sexier than I thought? You can handle that. I wish I could see you, baby. It's not worth the risk, because you don't know how the girl treats such hints. Yes, some are not too shy to throw a couple of jokes on the brink, but not all of them. Then again, hey, gifts, boring. Tell me, do you now see how many similar messages girls receive? How many messages they don't know how to respond to and sometimes they're embarrassed? If your body were poetry, I would read you in a braille. Wow, but you can see just my face. I can judge pretty well from what is visible. Pretty well from. Thanks. Can you send some pics of yourself and I'll throw a pickup line for every pic you send? It's also a rather banal beginning, especially if there is only a girl's face on the avatar. It feels like the guy has home-prepared compliments. This, in fact, is not bad, it is just worth choosing them from carefully for each beauty. Hey, welcome to the most awkward corner of the World Wide Web. Hi, why awkward? I keep receiving awkward messages. Maybe it's not a comfort zone for everyone. Maybe. Among all the first messages, I would single out this guy. Without empty compliments, he began to chat creatively, aroused the desire to continue the conversation. I like the profile. Of course, there are drawbacks. You can have more different photos, but Kunal has a twist. It's his smile and he uses it successfully. I also like the bio, written with humor. He has every chance of success with girls. I think it's true. This is the life of a woman's profile in just 2 days. At first glance, it seemed that there are many good options, but if you look closely, there are just a couple of them. Advice. First, down with hey in the first message. Second, down with empty compliments, please. Third, think, will you offend the girl? Will you embarrass her? Will she be disgusted? Fourth, work on your profile. Check out my video on profile analyzing. Has the feminine take on Tinder helped you rethink your strategy? Or are you super creative and the girls answer you? Write us and also send me screenshots of accounts and chats for individual analysis. And if you want to know how to meet girls more or get tip that really works, hit like, hit the bell, subscribe to our channel because there are many interesting things ahead for you. I promise you will definitely not be bored. Until next time, bye bye.